Hi students, let's solve this interesting problem. It is a problem from factorial. So given it is 10 factorial divided by 6 factorial is equal to, what would be the solution? But we have to find a solution in terms of a factorial number. So usually what happens, any number if given in this way, like 10 factorial by 6 factorial, so we try to cancel the factorial part. That is the normal method. So for that, what do? We write 10 into 9 into 8 into 7, and after that we put 6 factorial because we see that in the denominator 6 factorial is there, so we try to match that. So in the denominator we have 6 factorial and we simply cancel it, and then we multiply 10 into 9 into 8 into 7, which is 5040. But in the question, what do you see? We have to find the solution in terms of factorial. So answer should be in factorial. And if we found the multiplication, this is the number we found as answer, it is very difficult to find the factorial of it. Okay, so what is the way to find directly the factorial? What do we do here? Instead of breaking down the 10 factorial, the numerator, we will put take the 10 factorial as it is for now, and we will break down the denominator. So we'll write 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And the numerator 10, now we will try to estimate. So we start with 10, then we will put 9, then I will go till 7, and I'll then leave 7 factorial as it is, and divided by 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now let's see if we can cancel out these numbers. So 5 and 2, 5 2s are 10, so 10 is cancelled. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. If we see here, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Anything left here? Yes, we do have one more 2 in the denominator and 1 2 in the numerator. So actually we cancelled out all the numbers excluding 7 factorial. So what is left is equal to 7 factorial. So that is your answer. So now in this way you can find the answer in the form of a factorial. So instead of question here, our answer is 7 factorial. Thank you for watching.